Happy birthday, best friend! Sorry, wala kami sa celebration mo, pero I'll see you on the 20th. I love you!
Hi, best friend M! Happy birthday! Happy 40th birthday! So, nakakalungkot. Wala ako dyan ngayon. Wala kami ni best friend Grace, pero carry lang yan. Enjoy mo yung party mo today. Magpakasaya ka! Wish ko lang is mas tumagal pa yung friendship natin. At lalo na, ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Hindi na tayo bumabata. Hello! Lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo yung health mo, ingatan mo kasi, you know, ayan, mahal na mahal kita. Nandito lang ako lagi. Kita tayo soon!
Happy birthday, Nilang M! We miss you! When are you going to come back? And visit us. O, diba? Ito na yung binisit mo last time nung nanganak ako. Ngayon, 7 years old na daw siya. So, when ka na magbe-visit here in Singapore, diba? Looking forward for your next visit with Tito MJ. And sorry, hindi kami makapunta dyan to celebrate your birthday. Pero isa-celebrate natin yan soon na pagpunta ko dyan sa Philippines. Excited na ako to see you all again. We miss you so much and we love you, Ninang M. Happy birthday again! Happy birthday! Mwah!
Hi, best friend M. Happy 40th birthday. I just want you to know that I'm happy and I'm so grateful that I have you in my life since college. And I wish you nothing but success, good health, and happiness in your life. And even I'm not there in the Philippines, I'm always be here for you, no matter what happened. Cheers to 40! Love you! See you soon! Hoping. Bye for now!
Happy birthday, Em! Happy 40th birthday! Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health. And I'm so happy for you. Pero love life. Enjoy your day and wishing you more birthdays to come. God bless you always. Love you. I miss you.
Hi, Ams. Happy birthday. And sorry, hindi ako nakapunta. Mahal kasi ng ticket. Again, hope, wish ko sana magkaroon ka ng good health. Meron ka ng love life na wala ako, unfortunately. Pero, yeah, always take care and be safe always.
Hi, Ems! Happy 40th na daw birthday to you. So, my prayer for you is that may God just surround you with so much love, so much joy, so much laughter today and always. And here's to a beautiful, beautiful New Year. Okay, so happy birthday and God bless you. Mwah!
Hello everyone. First of all, ako po si Jorel or si George. Isa po ako sa mga tunay na lalaki na naging kaibigan at malapit po sa puso ni M. Siya pa po ay medyo haliparot. Dahil joke lang. Actually, napag-utusan lang ako na gumawa ng video na to. Obviously, hindi ko nasasabihin kung sino, pero mahal, first of all, happy 40th birthday. And I know hindi ko na kailangan mag-wish pa ng sobrang haba. At alam ko naman na naibigay na ng Panginoon kung ano man yung mga inaasam-asam mo sa buhay. Siguro isa na lang ang gusto naming makita at gusto naming makuha as your close friends or as your family, which is for you and MJ to have your own baby. I hope you enjoy your day, and alam mo naman nandito lang ako, and ano ba naman ang, if I'm not mistaken, 16 years, so that was way back 2009. Alam mo naman yung story ako kung paano mo ako kinupkop galing sa hukay or galing sa tawag dito, galing sa lupa kung saan man ako nagmula dati. Alam mo na yung mga dramas ko, obviously mga ups and downs And thank you for being there. Thank you for being one of the best friends anyone could ever have or anyone could ever ask for. Just continue being a blessing to each and everyone, and I know you are. And I would like you to know that we are here to support you. We're here, and we always love you. Hopefully by 2027, we'll go back there in the Philippines and we'll have a catch up. All right? Enjoy your day, and mag-uusap tayo ulit. Love you.
Hello anak, good evening, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo is sanay gumaling ka na kung ano mang masakit mo, saka lalo ka pang gumanda, at saka lalo ka pang mamahalin ng anak kong si MJ. Ang anak, wala akong masasabi sa kabaitan mo, lalo hanggang ngayon, kayo magkakapatid, lahat na nasa inyo ng lahat. Wala na akong masasabi. Sana pakinggan tayo ni Lord, sana'y mawala na yung mga sakit mo. Wala na akong sasabihin, kundi we love you and we miss you always.
Happy birthday, and pasensya na hindi kami nakarating sa yung surprise birthday celebration. Pero I hope na na-surprise ka. I hope na happy ka with your loved ones and with their families and friends. And yun, I only wish and pray that God will give you better health. Sana mas talagang umayos na yung health mo at ng buong family. And I also hope na yung napag-usapan natin before, sana yung sa family natin magkaroon tayo ng pag-aaral talaga ng tungkol kay God and sa words niya, so we'll be able to know Him more. And I know that only God can bring peace and hope in our lives. Ayun, Empot. Maraming salamat dahil alam ko ikaw ay isa sa very caring and thoughtful na person. And ayun, may God always be your present help in times of need. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, MM. Wishing you good health. And sana ay magtulungan kayong magkakapatid. Dahil kayo na lang naiwan ng mama at papa mo. I hope magkaroon ka ng magandang career. At sana ay magkasama-sama tayo, mga kamag-anak mo dito sa Alabon. At hoping for you all the best in your life para sa iyong pamilya.
Happy birthday, MM.
Happy birthday, MM. May God bless you with